Hello, my name is Alba Pagliaccio, and today I will answer some questions about taking care of our water. And the first question is, why is water more scarce? I think that water shortage can be caused by several factors, such as the increasing world population, the climate change, the droughts, the lack of rainfall, and the pollution. The next question is, which countries or cities are facing water scarcity and why? Among the countries facing water shortage are the United States, China, India, Chile, and especially some in South Africa and the Middle East, such as Palestine, um, Oman, Lebanon, and others. The main factors of water scarcity are the mismanagement of water, overpopulation, the expansion of irrigated agriculture, change in the energy consumption and production patterns, and more I think in about for the climate change, which makes drugs more intense in some parts of the world, and this produce a lot of social problems. The next question is, which groups are most affected by water scarcity problems? One of the most affected groups will be agriculture, because this activity requires 70 to 90% of the rainwater that falls in each country. Another group that will be very affected is the meat industry, because this industry requires large amounts of water for feeding and cleaning the animals. And because there is a shortage of water and therefore of agriculture products and pasture for the animals, its sustainability will be very affected. Similarly, people will begin to be very affected due to the lack of sufficient water to cover all their needs, such as having clean water for drink and cooking, for daily cleaning. In addition, um, people's health will begin to deteriorate due to the dehydration and unwashing. In addition, major modification and impacts on ecosystem could be seen, to the point that some plant and animals become extinct, and some sources that feed rivers or lakes become depleted. The next question is, how is water wasted or saved in your own home? Um, in my house, we try to save water by taking rainwater in buckets to change the water for the fish, to bath my pets, to water the plants, or also we used to wash the our clothes. Another way in which we save water is when we brush our teeth, because we only use a glass of water for this purpose. On the other hand, I think we waste water when we bath, because sometimes we don't turn off the tap until we soap ourselves. The next questions is, what are some ways we can conserve water? I think that some ways to conserve water is to turn off the taps and fix water filtration problems on time. Another way is to change our diet, as reducing consumption of meat and dairy products and eating seasonal vegetables will help conserve water, as well as trying to steam our food more often. In order to reduce water consumption, it's good to limit the time we use the shower. That is why it's convenient to set a time on the phone so that showers will be more short. It's also important to try to wash a full load of clothes in the washing machines, since this way we consume less water and energy.